Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we obviously have this really awesome set right here. It's the Hot Wheels Premium Speed Machine set, and these are the 5 cars that are in it. So I have never purchased one of these like shipping container sets. They are the Hot Wheel Premium. Before this one, all the Car Culture Premium sets, they have like Real Riders tires. They're metal tops, metal bottoms. This one, because of the Speed Machines, it's kind of like a throwback to the original. They did not have rubber tires, so neither do these. They did bring back the same rim style, which is kind of cool. But I actually saw that Amazon has these. So they have a bunch of the previous sets, which I've always been wanting them, but I just don't really have anywhere to put them, so I never purchased them. But I've been excited for this. I really wanted to open up a couple of the cars, but didn't have the heart to just tear open the package. And here's the actual like regular set. And these were the cars that I did not want to like rip open. I wanted that Porsche, the Pagani, the Lamborghini. I wanted those 3 specifically. And the other 2 would have been cool to also have out of the package to be able to like display and show off. But I just didn't have the heart to do that. But this came out and it's pretty much all the cars opened, and you get a really cool like shipping container they come in. And even this box looks really cool. So we're going to go ahead and cut this open. I don't think it really matters what side we start on. It has a little Car Culture thing there. And this thing looks really cool. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. But I did notice that Amazon has these for like all the previous sets as well. So if you guys are wanting to get one of these for either the Speed Machine set, or if you guys want to get like Exotic Envy or Deutschland Designed or any of the other Hot Wheel Premium sets, you guys can definitely link description down below to the listing, and you guys can go pick those up on Amazon. But here we go. I want to try to save some of the packaging here. I don't want to destroy it too much. But like I said, I've never purchased any of these sets, so I'm not really sure exactly what to expect. I've only seen pictures. But wow, that looks awesome right there. This thing looks super cool. And like I said, it's actually a lot bigger than I expected. I thought these were a little bit smaller, but this is pretty cool. The end there looks like an actual shipping container. And the entire front should just swing down. So let me pop. It looks like this one still needs to pop out. Let's see here if I can get it to work. There we go. So then you open it up, and there's all 5 of the cars there lined up. And they look absolutely insane. But wow, those look so cool. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these out. And I really like how they put these in there. Like, this actually looks really good. Honestly, it's like really snug, and I don't know exactly how to get these out. I guess you just kind of have to force it a little bit. Oh, alright, so I just dropped some of the cars. Alright, I probably did it wrong. I don't know, but this is the plastic case that they all just kind of sit in. Let me get all the cars here. Alright, so I'm going to start off with this is the main reason why I wanted this, the Lamborghini Veneno. This looks absolutely insane. And being able to have it out of the package, you can see it a lot better, especially like that front end. So here's kind of like a side-by-side, be able to really get like a better look at the Veneno. Wow. The next is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. This was another one that I really wanted, and it's so cool to be able to have it out of the package there and see all the little details of this car, and just that beautiful blue color, and just like the wheels look so good as well, and it looks good in the package too. And then Pagani Zonda R. This thing is absolutely insane. Has that giant wing there in the back. Has like the roof scoop. Honestly, obviously just like the way the body is shaped, it looks so good. And then there's that in like the actual packaging. But you can see so much more with it out of the package. And like those wheels look really good too. And like I said, because of the Speed Machines is a throwback to the old school Speed Machines, they do not have rubber tires. But the rims are actually like a little bit nicer, and they kind of do resemble the old school Speed Machine rims, but with plastic tires. There's that Ford GT. Looks really good there. Obviously, that giant wing. These are all kind of like race spec And then there's like the car in the packaging. So you can see how much better you can see it versus just looking at it in the package. And then here's the McLaren 720S. You can see all that detail there, especially like the front end. Oh, there we go. And then it has like that black section in the back and then going up that side. And there's in the package. So this set absolutely looks amazing outside of the, being able to have it outside of the package. This right here is really cool as well. I love how it doesn't just say like the name of the series, but actually has across like the whole thing that giant Hot Wheels logo that kind of goes across there. Kind of like the backdrop, I guess you could say. And I don't know, maybe we can close this up and then set all the cars up on top. I don't know if they'll all fit up here, but we will see. Heck yeah. Alright, so they all fit here. And honestly, that's going to be a pretty cool way to display the set as well. And if you're one of those people kind of like me who like packaging of stuff, even like this box looks really cool. Got the original Speed Machines logo there, the same logo that you see there in the top of the card, and that is like the throwback to the original. Got Hot Wheels Premium there in the top, got Car Culture on either side, and then you have like the cars and everything there in the back. But I absolutely love this set. If you guys are interested in, like I said, this set or any of the other sets that come in like a little shipping container with like all 5 cars, all the other sets do have like the premium wheels. You get like the Real Riders tires and all that stuff. But if you guys want to pick up any of those, there's going to be a link in the description down below. There should be like one listing and you can go through and pick exactly what set you want. And this one was like, I think on sale. So that was super exciting, especially since this set just came out. So if you guys like this video though, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos with either like unboxings or even like the Amazon black boxes right here. There's also going to be a link for this in the description with these. I do a bunch of case unboxings and get some really awesome cars. So definitely subscribe so you can see videos with case unboxings of those. The normal cases of 72 cars, Hot Wheels RLC. I even do some exclusive Matchbox. All kinds of cars and collectible stuff here on MT Paradise's Cards and Collectibles. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.